Nadu nalat Mawreng Shaduh Weiloi en Pynheh eka Surok ongu preston halor ka jingkeli jongu Eugene Shapang ka Surok nadu Mawplang shamau senrang. Bat ka BDR kelas sedang ban le eka survey bat shen en sedang ban khot tender ban yo sanction. Habakran hakajo ka nihi ka jingkeli wecam shang pliang ula kerpat ru eka sorkar ban penbaharu eka Surok na Weiloi shamau senrang.
Reply to third question 54. Sir, Mawplang to Umlangmar road is fairly good. And from Umlangmar to Mawreng, it is in a bad condition. However, the government has always taken steps to improve the roads.
Mr. Speaker, sir, the Mawreng road is in fairly good form because of continuous restoration and repair. So during the budget session, an allocation of 800 crores was earmarked for 7 various roads. The Mawreng road was one of them. So I'd like to know from the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister on the nature of the allocation of the Mawreng road on the budget.
Mawplang to Mawreng road, which starts from the diversion point of the Shillong Nongstointura road and the particular place known as Lat Mawreng up to Weiloi. In fact, sir, recently we have taken a decision that we will widen this particular road, which is so important to be it to southwest, be it East Castles, be it headquarter of Southwest. So therefore, sir, we have taken a decision that we will widen it, we will convert it into intermediate lane. From the 0 point is from Lat Mawreng up to Weiloi, and hopefully the sanction will be accorded very soon, sir. And right now the DPR is being prepared by PUD department, and once the sanction is accorded, then tender will be called, sir.
Mr. Speaker, sir, I'd like to thank the Deputy Chief Minister for considering the expansion or the widening of the road from the Lat Mawreng point up to the Mawreng. I understand, sir, right now the DPR is under preparation and the tender will be called soon. May I know up to what stretch is the distance for the proposal to be widened, sir?
Sir, the starting point, as I said, it starts from Lat Mawreng, from that diversion, up to 25 to 26 kilometers. I think it touches maybe with Weiloi, maybe up to Weiloi, or maybe a little beyond Weiloi. I don't have exactly up to what point it will be ended, but the DPR is being worked out, prepared by the PUD, and once the DPR is completed, then hopefully sanction will be accorded, sir.
Sir, I'd like to thank for that consideration of that stretch of road. But sir, time and again, I have always brought this to the notice of the government, be it on the floor of the House or by the form of a DO letter to the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, that the road from what we call is the Mawplang Balat Road has been one of the oldest road right from the Assam government times. And the road beyond Weiloi actually requires the attention of the government for repair or renovation or widening up to Balat, sir. So I request the government to kindly consider this stretch of road also right from Weiloi up to Dangar or up to Balat, sir, because this is the lifeline of the people of the border and also of the whole area that goes up to the border, sir. So may I get some kind of hope or an assurance from the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister that this road also will be taken up?
Yes, sir. Point noted.
Thank you, sir.